Hello, everybody. I just wanted to follow up on this experiment that I conducted about a month ago on converting my game, Greg, into a PSEO website, and we have some successful results. Let's check them out. And you can see over here, when I started my experiment, it was around March 15th, and we were ranking for one term and was position 1 to 3, and then another four terms, positions 11 to 20, and then 51 plus. Now, today is April 17th, and you can see I rank for about 140 keywords. So things are looking good, and you can do it too. All you have to do is just find some keywords that have a low keyword difficulty, and then just add them in your page in a way that adds value. The way I went about it was very simple. I went to Ahrefs. So we're in the Keywords Explorer. The way you would go about finding keywords that can be used here is think of a simple phrase. In our case, what we did is search for how to say in Spanish. What this does, it actually searches for the keywords that have these words here, but there may be some other words, and there will be other words that fit in before or most likely after in Spanish. So you'd say how to say hello in Spanish, how to say this, whatever this is in Spanish. And you can see here that we have a lot of results when you go to the matching terms. And there's like 33,691 keywords, right? And it's up to you to go ahead and filter these for volume such that we have at least, let's say, 200. And for keyword difficulty, up to 20, such that it's easy for us to rank for them over time. We show the results, and you come back with 541 keywords. So this is excellent now. All I did was export it and then fit it into my language learning game, such that people can play with that phrase and learn it along the way. Let me show you how it looks. And here it is, how to say hello in Spanish, how to say thank you in Spanish, so on and so forth. These keywords are matching to individual pages. So this particular set of keywords matches to a page in my website. And as a result, now I'm ranking, and let's see the ranking. So nothing really to gloat about just yet, but I'm ranking in the top 20 for a few, and then in the top 30 for pretty much everything else.